Hi there, it's Natasha from Discovery Museum. If you're looking for a fun and creative, easy and inexpensive project for a warm summer day, look no further than creating a sun-melted crayon art masterpiece. To get started, you'll need some crayons, a cookie sheet, some wax paper, as well as some stones or something heavy to weigh down your paper if it's breezy outside. Next, you want to find a sunny spot and place a piece of wax paper on the cookie sheet and set it in the sun for a few minutes and let it warm up. Once it feels warm to the touch, you can start drawing with your crayons. As you begin to draw, you'll notice the heat of the cooking sheet melts the crayons, allowing the crayons to glide smoothly across the surface of the wax paper. Perhaps you'll experiment with trying to write your name, as I've done here, and making some designs around it. Use your imagination and be creative as you're drawing. Try layering 2 or more colors together and notice how the colors blend together. When your drawing is finished, simply peel the wax paper off of the baking sheet. I hope you have a great time creating your sun-melted crayon art masterpiece.